today I will show you how to make how to dismantle a pallets without a power tools. So I'm using just a hammer and a wood, and it is easy. So this is my first time gonna do it today, so I just found it out earlier this morning that I can actually do in that way, and then I'm happy to share it to you. It's gonna be the wood that we are working. I'm working today, sorry. And this is gonna be my power tools. Ta-da! That tools over there, the woods, and the hammer over there, that's gonna be my friend. So my helper. So I'm gonna show you now how I'm going to do it. Okay, don't go. Stay tuned. So first I'm going to put some wood under the pallets. So this is how. So I pick any of these, so which is comfortable for you to use. So I'm gonna pick this. So put that away. So this piece, I'm gonna put it under here, over there. So I'm gonna start with this one over here. So I'm gonna put over here. So I'll just use this one up, and you have to put some in the other side. So not so enough, so you can do like that. See. Oh, it's not really funny. So that's nice and perfect. So I'm gonna choose this one first, see what happens. So I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna put it over here. Let's see if you can see it properly. So I'm gonna set the camera back up like that, and backwards. So as you can see, I put some wood under the pallets in there. And now I'm gonna bang that thing in the top. So that's it. Okay. As you can see, they're already separated. So a bit more banging and it will be finished. Okay. One. This is good. So, and then we go to next. So what we do is we're just gonna move this wood to up there. So I'm gonna work the one over there. So, or maybe this one. It's hard because you got someone in the top, but I try how I'm going to do it. But it's easy. It's already separated. So here. Yeah. Okay. Let's try like that. So it's coming off. So you can actually use another piece of wood because there's a pallet in the top and it's hard for you to do it here, so you go in this side. So as you can see, the nose is coming out already. More, and I go in the other side. So that's off. So it's work to the next one. We just move this one. Go to work over there. So I'll put more here. So let's lift up. Okay. short, so we're gonna find something higher because my grass is not level, so it's a bit short. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna have to do it here. That's why. It's still shorty. Let's see if it's work. It's only one. Let's try because I have one here. Let's try. Okay. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So let's go to the other side. Oh, I still got one here. So I put this back over here. I try to work in this one here, the last bit. So see how we go. Alright. So as you can see, all the nails is falling down. So I'm gonna flip it around and do the other side. Get that one now. Just put the wood in. Put the wood in under. Look. You're gonna get a thick one. Sometimes you need a thick one. Yep. Put it in there. Get this hammer. So that's out. And last bit. So we put the wood under in this wood. So one last one. So that's it. That's all come off. And they're all here. So the good thing is you don't destroy this one. The first time I never had a broken one, so look at this one. So they're all nice and perfect. So remember, we're gonna get the nails for safety and put the nails somewhere you want for safety for kids. And we can always reuse this in any project do you like. This is the one I've finished dismantling today with my power tools, now with my hammer and wood as my tools today. And I'm so happy because I didn't have any broken piece of wood. So as you can see, they are so intact. So that's one pallet over there. So I save a lot. So normally when it breaks, it's gonna go in our kindling, so it doesn't really matter. But if I don't break anything, I can make any more projects to it. So I'm so happy. That's it.